Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concept in 90 seconds video. What is bacteriology? Bacteriology is a subset of microbiology and specifically deals with yeasts and bacteria. A bacteriologist will grow microbes, identify them, create and maintain cultures, and fun stuff like that. Some equipment used by bacteriologists include autoclaves, so big ass pressure cookers, laminar flow hoods, agar, so that's stuff that comes from kelp, petri dishes, and incubators. Well, that was bacteriology in 90 seconds or less. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and then hit notify to be informed when more videos are uploaded by me.